Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, it's time to stuff our May envelopes and we're going to get started. So let's jump right in. Alrighty, you guys. So here we're going to be working on May envelopes. So I went to the credit union. I bank at the credit union and I pulled out $930 for cash, and I'm going to allocate those funds. All right, you guys, so let me share with you what I have allocated for my cash envelopes. So I needed $200 in groceries, so that would be $50 per week for 4 weeks. So that is 1 week of groceries, 2 weeks of groceries, 3 weeks of groceries, 4 weeks of groceries. Then I had $50 for summer groceries and $50 for stock up preps. So I have $300 worth of grocery money. All right. Now I had $200 for gas. So $50 per week for gas. So week 1 for gas, week 2 for gas, week 3 for gas, and the 4th week for gas. So that's what I had allocated for gas. I also had $100 for, I had $225 for Jackson's party. So that's 100. That's 200. Now $20 I spent on some weed killer and one of those weed spray bottles. And then I also needed, I got my eyebrows done at $9. So that was a little bit, this $26, but I had like $2 in my purse. So this is for the party. Then I had hair money. So there's $100 for hair money. Normally I get that broken down. I'm gonna have to break this down. So there's 40 for myself, 40 for sister, and 20 for Jackson. So that's hair money. And then piano money. And I'm short somehow on piano money. So that's not what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna take this money right here, that $100. And I'll put this 10. So that'll be for piano money. I'll take I need $5 from this to put back to 20, 40, 60, 85, 6. That'll be for hair. So I'm short a little bit because I got my eyebrows done. And I also got those few things from Walmart. But what I do think, so that's for piano. I'm going to take $5 from there and put it to here. That'll make $86. But I'm also going to take whatever leftover I have from the birthday and fill out the hair money, because I'm sure I will not use $200 for the birthday party. I'm just paying for bowling, and it's $45 for up to 6 people for 2 hours unlimited. We're not doing a party package. We're just doing the unlimited bowling, and then of course I'll get some party snacks. So I'm probably looking at right at $75, $80 for that, and then I will leave $100 left, which I can take that to do anything that I need to do further with that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to stuff my envelopes, but I did want to share with you one additional thing. So a friend of mine had sent me a TikTok video with this girl showing her cash envelopes, her sinking funds. Now I have a setup for my cash envelopes, and this is going to be for sinking funds. So I ordered this from Amazon. It was $12. So inside of it, it does have, there's 12 of these plastic holders. And then also you have the sticker tabs to put what's on the folder inside. All right, so I'm just using this as a sinking fund folder, and I'm only using it for small sinking funds. So the first thing I'm going to put in here is my summer grocery money, because I do have summer grocery money that I've been holding or keeping in my cash envelopes, and it actually is breaking because there's so much in here. So I'm going to take this out and stick it in here as far as sinking funds. And I'm also going to put in my additional monies that I took out for this month. So I do have a gift card from Aldi. I think that's $25, I think. So I'm going to put that in here. I do believe it's $25. And I'm going to count how much I have. 150, 250, 300, 450 is how much I have in summer groceries. I'm glad I checked that, because when I did my budget video, I said I only had 350, and I knew that wasn't right, because I only get I get one more paycheck, and I should have $500. So this is $450. My last paycheck is the end of May, and that should give me the last $50 to make $500. So I'm going to make adjustment on my sheet, and then of course I have this $25 gift card to Aldi. So I am going to write on here. I'm going to mark on this one summer groceries. And I'm going to put this one here. So there are 12 of these plastic envelopes. And that is summer groceries. And that's the only thing that's going in the sinking fund holder for right now. As far as my other envelopes, I have groceries week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. I'm going to go ahead and stuff those. So it's $50 a week is my base budget. We are still doing Whole 30. It's working out for us so far. I did not have any extra monies this time to roll over. So that is groceries, and then I'm going to actually pull out the prep money and put that in my envelope. I mean, in my wallet. Right, my Dave Ramsey, Rachel Cruz wallet. And that's going to be for preps, which I'll go ahead and do now. The next thing I have is Jackson's birthday, right? So I'm going to take this birthday money and put this also in my Rachel Cruz. I'm going to just put that in my wallet. Piano money, I need to put that in my wallet as well, because she'll have piano lessons within the next week. So I'll go ahead and put piano money in my wallet. Then I have hair money, which let me find hair care. I owe $14 to this envelope. So $5 from the piano money, and then I'll put the rest of that from the birthday money. Then that's gas. So let me get to my gas full envelopes. $50 each for gas. And then the final 50, of course, I'm going to put in my wallet because I have to get gas today. Okay, so that's in there. That's all the monies that I have. These are my extra envelopes that I have not stuffed. So I'm going to just put these back into, this is a recollections planner that was gifted to me years and years and years ago. And I've had it this entire time. It has worked. I've used it and I love it. And so there that is. That is envelopes for the month. This will be sinking funds once I get some additional funds to sink in here. And then I have what is in my wallet for today. So once I have extra change from the party, I will go ahead and put it in the hair envelope. And then whatever is left, anything, miscellaneous things that the kids or I need, we will pick those up. So there it is, you guys. Quick stuff of the cash envelopes for the month of May. We do appreciate you so much for stopping by. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.